Grease guns. What are they? What do they do? And how do you actually use one? Today, we're answering all of your grease gun questions and showing you how to use one step by step. Let's get into it. A grease gun is a tool that's used to apply lubricant, generally grease, right where it's needed into nipples or grease fittings. Behind those nipples are channels that lead directly to the components, meaning the grease only goes exactly where it's needed. You'll generally find these used in a ton of different industries, from automotive to agricultural, heavy machinery, and even construction. There are 3 different kinds of grease guns. You have manual grease guns, pneumatic, and electric style grease guns. For this video, we're going to be using an electric grease gun. They're super convenient, really clean, and so easy to use. Let's walk through setting it up. We're going to be using a grease cartridge. They're way cleaner than using bulk filled grease, but bulk filled grease will be cheaper in the long run. It just depends on what your application is going to be and how often you're going to use them. Before anything, we want to make sure just to disconnect the battery, we just don't want any accidental trigger pulls while we're trying to fill the grease gun. Before we open the grease cartridge or start taking apart the grease gun, I definitely recommend chucking some gloves on. It's just a nice way to keep your hands clean and not get extra grease everywhere if you don't need to. Step 1, unscrew the barrel and remove it from the body. Step 2, pull back the plunger and lock it in place through the slot in the back of the barrel. Step 3, remove the plastic cap from the cartridge and slide it into the barrel of the grease gun. Make sure the metal tab is facing outwards, pull the metal tab and discard it. Step 4, reattach and screw the barrel tightly into the grease gun. Step 5, release the plunger and it'll seat back into the grease gun. Step 6 is purging the system. The first thing you want to do is insert a battery, open the purge valve by turning it anti-clockwise, squeeze the trigger a few times until you start to see grease coming out of the nozzle. Then close the purge valve tightly. Step 7, you're ready to go. Step 8 is greasing a fitting. Attach the nozzle to your grease nipple. Pull the trigger and stop once you see grease leaking from the relief port or around the joint. That means it's full. And that's it. You've purged, loaded, and used the grease gun like a pro. If you have any more questions or some more workshop tools you'd like for us to cover, leave us a comment below.